We are living through a once-in-a-generation shift. For the first time in history, machines are not just replacing muscle, they're replacing mind. AI writes. AI designs. And those who know how to harness this power, they're unlocking streams of income that don't just trickle, they flow. Welcome to the age of automation. And if you play your cards right, it could be your ticket to financial freedom. Let's break down exactly how to build passive income in this new world, step by step. Step 1. Understand the new rules of wealth. The old way of making money? Raid time for dollars. Build systems that make money while you sleep. Automation is no longer just for corporations. Anyone can set up systems using free or low-cost tools that sell digital products, deliver services, market 24/7, collect payments. The game has changed. Step 2. Choose a digital asset you can automate. Want income without constant effort? Then you need to build something once that can sell itself forever. Here are the top digital assets that thrive in the age of automation. AI-generated courses. Use ChatGPT to create lessons. Host on Gumroad or Teachable. Ebooks and micro-guides. Sell expertise you already have with zero inventory. Subscription communities. Use platforms like Discord or Circle to build tribes around niche interests. Print-on-demand stores. Automate designs with AI and sell on Etsy or Redbubble. Each one of these can be automated end-to-end: content creation, marketing, sales, and delivery. Step 3. Set up automation tools, free or cheap. You don't need a tech team. Here's a plug-and-play automation kit. ChatGPT or Claude. Generate content, products, and marketing copy. Zapier or Make. Connect tools and automate workflows. ConvertKit or Beehive. Automate emails and product delivery. With this stack, you can create a digital product in a day, launch a marketing funnel, set up email automation, monetize while you sleep. Step 4. Use content as your silent salesman. The biggest mistake people make? Building something amazing, but not telling anyone. In the age of automation, content is your 24/7 marketing machine. Repurpose blog content into Twitter threads and LinkedIn posts. Turn threads into faceless TikToks with AI voiceover. Link all content back to your product or email list, and you'll build an ecosystem that drives sales every single day, without spending a dime on ads. Step 5. Stack and scale. The goal isn't to strike gold once, it's to build a portfolio of automated income streams. Use data to see what works, and your income will grow more consistent. This is how ordinary people are quietly building 5- and 6-figure incomes. With no office, this is the new American dream. A decade ago, passive income was reserved for landlords and investors. Your freedom and your future. So the only question is, are you ready to build something that works while you don't? The tools are free. And the opportunity? If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.